Hi all, this is Rahul. Welcome to my YouTube channel Automation Tour. So our today's topic is what is Postman. So Postman is an API testing tool which makes it easy for testers, developers to create, share, test and document API. So basically if you want to test the API whether it is working fine or not, or it is giving 200 status code or not, in that case you can use Postman tool. So we'll come to advantages of Postman. So our first point is easy to understand. So Postman UI is very simple. Even the non-technical person also can work in this. Our second point is we can able to test in different environment. So as a tester, we already know we need to test in multiple environment like QA or dev. So in Postman tool, we need to create two environment, that is QA and the second is dev. So if you want to test in QA environment, just you need to select that QA, and if you want to test in dev environment, just you need to select dev. So in my coming videos, I will be showing those things, so don't worry if you are not getting now. So our third point is it is very easy to integrate with Jenkins or Visual Studio. So now I will download and install the Postman tool and I will show you how to download and install. So I will open in incognito window. So just search Postman here. You'll find this link, Postman, the collaboration platform of API development. Just click on that. Now you'll land to official page of Postman. So you will find one button here, download the app. So just click on that. Now you'll find this page. Here you'll find three things: this download for Mac or download for Linux. So if you're working in Mac OS, just go ahead here and click on this and download. If you're working in Linux, just click on here and download and work. But since I'm working in Windows, so I will click here. So my Windows is 64-bit, so I will click here. So just wait for a couple of minutes, it is downloading. So total MB is 77.5 MB. So it will take some time. Now it's completed. We'll open. We'll click on show in folder. So here it is. So we'll double click. So let's wait for a couple of minutes here. It is installing here. It may vary in your system. Sometime it will take few minutes to install, sometime it can install very quickly. So in my case it is installing very quickly. So you'll find this UI here. So just you need to click on sign in and create your account. If you don't have any account, just click on create account and create your account. If you have your account, just give your email ID and password here. So I will click on create account. My email ID automation tour gmail.com. Username I can give anything, automation tour, password. Just click on I agree to terms and create free account. Now you'll get this page. Here you need to enter your name. Just type your name here. So, and the second field is which of these roles is closest to yours. So just click on, so I'll be selecting quality engineer there, and check all the boxes like API documentation, debugging and manual testing, monitoring, automating testing, designing and mocking API, publishing API. So all these six check boxes we need to check. It is not mandatory, but in future we may use these things. So just check all the boxes and click on continue. You may change your profile photo. So I will not be changing here. If you want to change, you can change here. Just click on continue. Give your team a name. So if you are working with team, then you can create a team here. So I will just click on maybe later. Later I can fix this. So I will just click on maybe later. So now you can find, just check whether you are signed in or not. So just click here, not here. Just click on settings. Where to check. Yes. So you can check here like you are able to see automation2@gmail.com. So you have successfully created the account. So in the next video I'm just going to show you all the things here, like I will just navigate through all the things in Postman. I will show you how to create the request. So how to show you, I will show you how to create the environment here, how to create multiple environment. So till then, bye bye, thank you.